All right, why you should keep posting on YouTube even though no one's watching. Yeah, I just watched that video, right? Trying to get better here on YouTube. I've accepted that. Apparently, when it comes to YouTube, I'm doing something wrong, man. I shoot these videos. I think they're good, but I get like 2 views, maybe 10 views. So, you know, I'm trying to get better. Maybe some of y'all watching right now are in that same boat. But here we go. This was funny, right? I was watching it. And, you know, one of the things I'm really liking here is these channels that don't have a lot of subscribers. You know, I've been studying for a long time, watching these videos on channels that have, shit, I don't know, thousands and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And they all seem to say the same stuff. And, you know, what they say, I just don't believe anymore because I've tried every single thing that they've said. And maybe, you know, their channel's big. So I think they can just post any video and it's going to get thousands upon thousands of views. But I think us small channels, you know, I've heard copy titles and all this, and that just doesn't work. So now, you know what? I'm taking a look at these smaller channels like me, that, you know, that have all of a sudden started to take off. You know, that's the person that I want to watch. So I'm trying to get better on YouTube. I do 2 things, right? I trade. Y'all know on this channel, I trade every day. I love trading. I day traded live today, S&P 500. I trade options. I look at crypto. That's my specialty, trading. Been doing it a long time. But I'm trying to spread this message on YouTube, and I guess my channel's so small, nobody gives a shit, right? So I'm trying to get better, and I'm taking y'all along my journey because maybe some of y'all are trying to get better too, all right? Let me know, man. All right, here we go. I like this one. This was great. Why you should keep posting, even if nobody watches. That's one of the things that I have a hard time with, man. You work really hard on a video, you bust your butt, and you know, you edit it, you do the thumbnails, you do all that stuff, and you post it. You look 24 hours later and you got less than 20 views, right? God, that son of a bitch is discouraging, man. So I like what this cat said, dude. It was funny. First thing he said, he's like, I don't give a shit. He's like, you post because number one, I really don't care. He's like, who gives a shit? Because here's the thing he did say, which is true. He said, you know why you should keep posting when nobody's watching? Because somebody is watching. Think about that, man. I get really discouraged with 20 views, but hey, that's 20 of y'all who give a shit, right? And you know what? At the end of the day, if you just have 1 fucking view, isn't that worth it? I mean, 1 person actually gives a shit about what you have to say. And we need to, and I say we, I'm really more speaking for me. I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna say we, just assuming that you're in that same boat. We need to stop worrying about all these fucking views, man. Because at the end of the day, if 1 person's watching, that's all that matters. Let me see if we're even recording. Yeah, we're recording. Kind of just walking around, you know, doing a lot of thinking about this time. I'm in between trades, right? So I day trade in the morning, I swing trade options, and then I take a little break, and then I come back to the market. I don't stare at the market, right, all day. You don't do that shit. I think that's one of the myths about being a trader is you have to stare at the screen all day. You don't. And then I like to, again, try to get better at this YouTube thing. So keep posting, right? Keep posting. And I think also, too, obviously it's going to help us get better. But the thing that bothers me the most is, like I said, you know, working so hard on a video, getting a couple views, it discourages the shit out of me. But this dude, he's got it going on. He just doesn't give a shit. You know, maybe that's what we got to do, right? Us small channels don't get a lot of views. Every view that we get, every view is important. Right now, there's probably 1 person watching this video, maybe 5. And you know what? I give a shit about you. I do, because at the end of the day, you've taken the time to watch it. And I do agree with that guy. Keep posting when nobody's watching because somebody is watching, right? And, you know, I post, you know, a couple types of videos on this channel. Obviously, one, trading. I'm really hardcore focused on trading because that's what I've been doing for a long time. I've been in the financial world for 27 years. So I'm not going to stop that. I'm going to continue to help people who want to learn how to trade. But the other types of videos I'm going to be posting is like this, man. Trying to take y'all through my YouTube journey because my channel is not that big and I'm trying to grow it. And everybody who's here now, who's watching this video, if you're struggling as well, then you know what? Shit, there's hope. If I can do it, which I don't know nothing about YouTube. I thought I did. I thought I was some YouTube expert, but apparently I don't know shit about YouTube. But I'll tell you what, I can keep posting. That's one thing I can do. Number one, I post trading videos every day. I post trading videos every day, so I can keep posting that, but I'm going to continue to learn, watch these YouTube videos from smaller channels, fucking smaller channels, man. To me, they're way more relevant than these big channels because, again, these big channels can post whatever they want. They've already got an audience. Those small channels, we can't do that, okay? But if you got a small channel that is doing something, you see that all of a sudden their videos picked up out of nowhere, isn't that more important? Fuck yeah. So let's keep posting. I'm going to keep posting because, one, I don't give a shit. Well, I do give a shit. I'm trying to tell myself that to psych myself out. But, number one, somebody is watching. Somebody is watching. So I'm taking y'all along my journey of how I can try to build this fucking YouTube channel. And then I'm going to trade. I'm going to trade. So, you know what? I love to make money. Right? We all do, right? We got bills and shit. And again, I'm doing this YouTube channel because I'm trying to build up an audience. I'd love to make money from this motherfucker. And I am monetized. I am monetized. And I'll tell you right now, I got about 15,000 subs. And it's about $100 a month. I mean, that ain't shit, dude. $100 a month. I mean, this morning day trading, you know, we made a couple $1,000s in like 9 minutes. So it's not even about that. A lot of you that are probably trying to grow your YouTube channel, it's probably not even about that either. It's more of just like, we got to figure this bitch out, right? Got to figure this bitch out. So why you should keep posting even though nobody's watching. Because, one, we don't give a shit. And two, there is somebody watching. If you're watching me walk right now, you're watching, right? Not a lot happening too. And again, I'm trying to get some stress out anyway before my next big run at the market, but that's what it is, man. That's what it is. Watching, learning, posting, bam. Hoping I don't get my ass run over. So let's keep doing it. You know, the people that are watching, I'm telling you right now, you mean everything to me. I can promise you that. You and my students and my channel members, right? Hey, thanks for several y'all who joined recently in the channel members for trading, right? We do a lot of live streams, a lot of stuff. I post several videos only for members, like trading videos. I go live day trading for members and university students. So for those of y'all that joined, you pay like $5, right? Can't hear that noise? What we got going on here? This is the real world, man. The real world. Woo! Thank y'all so much. Right, it's humbling. And every view matters. You matter. For those 10 of you probably watching this video, I give a shit. Let me know down below if you're watching it. We're gonna grow this bitch together. Hey, I'll help you as well, man. You're trying to build your channel. We gotta stay positive. We gotta stay positive because this YouTube shit, I thought it was gonna be easy, and this motherfucker's hard. All right, see you guys on the next go round. Hey, if you like what I'm talking about, give me a thumbs up, man. Let me know down in the comments what you're struggling with so we can we can band together. All right, hey, and if you're interested in trading, I day trade on this channel live every day for members. I also look at the crypto markets, trade the crypto markets every day, and I trade options. That's my specialty. I have a lot of students making a lot of money, if that interests you. If not, keep coming back. We'll grow this bitch together, because that's why we're going to keep posting, because somebody is watching. Peace.